In this video, we will show you how to access all call recording files in Account Manager. Begin by logging into the UC client by visiting hosted.csiivoice.com. Enter your username and password and click Sign In. After successfully logging in, you'll be entered into the UC client. To view all call recordings for your organization, you'll need to enter the Account Manager. Simply click the Go to Account Manager button on the home screen of the UC client. Once you're in the Account Manager, click on the Services tab in the top main menu. On the left-hand side, in the sub-menu, scroll down to Premium Call Recording and click File Access. This will provide an account owner or an account administrator the ability to view and download all recorded calls. The recorded calls detail list shows information such as caller ID, the inbound or outbound direction of the call, the date, time, file size, and duration of the call. Recorded files are stored for up to 90 days in our system. To archive your recorded calls, you can set up FTP access to have your recorded files delivered to an FTP server.